lap main event on the 3/8 Rick Shaver in the 43. Matt Green in the 7, that will be your front row. Matt Tips, Aaron Green, Nick Nicholson Jr. in the 26, Haley Wilkinson in the 35, Don Brown in the 75. And our waiting for starts number 24. Matt Green with a nice start. Rick Shaver down on the inside, battle for second place. Mike Tips up on the outside. And Mike Tips with a bit of an advantage sitting out of turn number 4. First lap lead goes to Mike Green. Rick Shaver hanging on there in the 3rd spot. Mike Tips up on the outside. Aaron Green in the 6th. As Tips in the 85 just stopped. Something happened. We've got Shaver off on the top part of